Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your AirPods Pro 3 with your MacBook. You have to start by press one time at the Bluetooth button at the top, but if you don't have this icon, go to the control panel and then click arrow icon near to the Bluetooth. Go to the settings, to the Bluetooth settings, and now we can turn on headphones and enter to pairing mode. We have two options how to enter pairing mode. If your earbuds do not connected with another devices, you need to only open the charging case and you will see that the LED light on the front side start blinking white. The second option is to open the charging case and then double press at the touch area under the LED light. And you will see also white LED light. So 1, 2, and we have it. So we should see them as a device list. Maybe let me... oh, we have it. So, you need to click connect near to your earbuds. Okay, so let's turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. Now let's click connect again. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.